Ahakuziko mjenzi katemba yabaho wabekayo mjenzi ababebembire Emmanuel Tukashaba bajunani ba Bishop Tulyasingura abo kuremwa kurebera kurunjo mwana wabo kandi no kufa koku kwa bashobire
cyane ngo sacha kora shaga hesho boje n'ujirota korore reka kumanotera kasunde ni bishange ni njara abayo murumu n'abakurengera musyo byo msoma kagane mureba kaya no kuzera ne byacha kora shaga mukaza musho wana renga abantu basa kumwita ntwaro gitereka tundamu
we omukubagarukamu Bishop Tulyasingura yayoreka kwekayo mukaze Irene Mujoga kandi no kuba ibintu bamurwansa abo kuhindura dini oguyarahira kwa dini mukono gwona omukufa ko mukazi we
Rahangogu olyahiguru
the Lord that is up
otungamire imitima y'abantu
the one who is in people's hearts
namanye byo munsi
knows what is in the world. If he knows that I'm the one who killed Oliver, he should kill me right now.
Tulyasingura yanjaho ngwaho mukazi wa Ferire babire bagarukine kantine shonga eshemiye kutuma yamwita.
Me and
Oliver were peaceful.
Chairman LCC ya kahandika ebarha appointment letter naje muhereza Oliver tugenda mu makanisa ebishane mbyene obane dona ruho Oliver birende nawe cyahayona konka enyimaho twagiro utikirizana.
We had some disagreement because of the religion. And what was bringing that?
Our sister yekwenda kutegeka.
It is her sisters. I want to tell you, you mother-in-laws, if someone is married so close.
Bebembeza bahika mwanyogu bashaba abantu kutachwera muntu we no rubanja kureka bashabe mnonga kutunga mazima umunshongeji.
Shabe munonga umutaraga bigorenda kufa tare chamari kugira ngo sheshe shagama ha muhero cwerengwe ki urubanje tare chamari habwe cyo sheshe shagama
but mom with the family and comforted. I'm here specifically for this. I don't want to add any more fire. My intention is to quench the fire.
After Gamberebi, police ino muntu omwe munkomo kubahwera omukuchondoza enshongezi. Amakuraga gasha kwa Job na Manya Apuri abwatayari West omuruchiga.